Hey FK gang, welcome back to Fergie's Kitchen. Today we're making banana granola parfait. But first I want to thank all my new subscribers. I love you too. Please remember to share, like, comment, and subscribe, and send everyone over to Fergie's Kitchen. All right, let's get the ball rolling. Here I have a half a cup of dates that I have already soaked, and I'm going to make dates molasses. So here I soak my dates in hot water for like 10 minutes, and here's my dates molasses that I'll be using for my parfait. So for the rest of the ingredients, here's my Himalayan salt, vanilla extract, lemon, extra firm tofu, 2 bananas. This will be for my banana cream. And here is my fruits that I'll be using also. Some grapes, strawberries, blueberries, and a pear with some granola, almond granola. So my first step is bananas for my banana cream. I should be using a 14 ounces pack of tofu. This is actually a 16. So I'm gonna remove some of the tofu. Two tablespoons of lemon. Half a cup of dates syrup. One teaspoon of vanilla extract. And a pinch of salt. With this, we're just gonna blend my banana cream. So here's my lovely banana cream. And I will have to put this in the refrigerator to chill for an hour. So we'll be back soon. Don't forget, remember to like, comment, share, and subscribe. Welcome back. It's been an hour, so I'm about to start making my parfait. done. Here is your banana granola parfait coming from Fergie's Kitchen. I hope you enjoy. And guys, don't forget the scripture of the day. It's coming from Psalms 115, verse 15. May you be blessed by the Lord, the maker of the heaven and the earth. May you be blessed. And this is my message from me to you guys. You are a gift from God. And that's how Fergie's Kitchen will treat you. Please remember to like, share, comment, and subscribe. Love you.